A recent study showed that Gen Z believes they need to earn $125,000 per year in order to feel like they've made it. $125,000 per year is a little more than $10,000 per month. You have one problem with that. Most people don't make that much money. And when you consider the fact that Gen Z, these are people that are about 20 to 35 years old or so, that they are very good at understanding the importance of work-life balance, much more so than people from my generation. I'm Gen X. It's very hard to make that kind of money while you're still living your best life. Now, I'm not against any of that. I think that the work-life balance is a great idea, but I want you to understand that the expectations have to meet the reality of the situation that you're in. So if you really want to be in that six-figure plus category, a couple of things I want to share with you as a finance professor that might help you get there are the following. Number one, marriage is a wonderful wealth hack. If you're making $6,000 a month and she's making $6,000 a month, then combined you're making $12,000 a month. But guess what? Your fixed expenses every month don't go up that much because you're sharing a house and you might even be sharing a car. That allows you to have an instant wealth hack, but you've got to make investments in choosing the right partner and also managing your relationship. Another wealth hack is this. The public school system does not teach you how to make six figures because most jobs don't pay six figures. To make money at that level, you need to be a specially trained economic soldier. You have to be the equivalent of a Navy SEAL. Every person in the military is not a Navy SEAL. What does that mean? That means that your training on economics has to come from outside of the system. It has to come outside of just get a job and hope for the best. It has to go into the realm of entrepreneurship. It must go into the space of real estate investing. It has to go into the space of stock market participation or stock options investing. None of these things are taught as a standard in American public schools. If you are in Gen Z or any generation and your goal is to make a high income, let me tell you, as a finance professor who has studied money for the last 30 years, that you're going to have to go outside of the system in order for you to get the money that you're looking for. And I can tell you that the American economic system is not designed to teach the average American how to do what rich people do. You're going to have to learn that on your own. Well, my name is Dr. Boyce Watkins. My website is boycewatkins.com. I have a great list of AI stocks you may want to take a look at, as well as a training on how to make money without working. Most rich people don't really work for their money, so that's a little secret right there. Have a good day, guys. I'll see you soon. Peace.